did it take you, both of you, to particularly tone down a scene, tone down a love scene or kissing scene? Yes.
We tried, but wait, klaro ka lang guys ha, it's kind of hard to hear kasi with the speakers coming back. Hindi namin masyado maintindihan, just for the rest of the people who are gonna ask questions guys ha. The tone down, we tried, but kung hindi namin mailusot kay Direk, syempre hindi kami makatone down.
Sasagutin ko yan. The first love scene, after the first love scene, the first line of the character of Colleen says, first time kong that's her first line.
Wow.
So to justify the first time niyang kailangan yung scene prepares for that. Yeah. So, bago mag-shooting, it was very clear the limitations, what they can do, what I want them to do, how I envision the scene. It was very clear. So, given their limitations, sumunod ako sa limitations. Pero how I executed it was different. I mean, maybe it was beyond what they thought of. Because I followed their limitations. But they were all over each other. Because the first line after the first love scene, the female says, first time kong tapos sumagot yung lalaki, gusto mo ulitin natin? That's the first love scene.
Actually, sa akin naman po kasi, if there's something that I'm not comfortable doing, I would be vocal about it, although I choose my battles. So, yun parang, I was just saving it na, okay, para if there's something I'm not comfortable with, doon na ako magiging vocal. Pero, actually, in this whole film, never ako nag-complain, never naman ako nagsabi na, direct, pwedeng wag na lang to, or pwedeng ganito na lang. Not even once na nag-complain naman kami. Mahirap lang. Mahirap lang siya gawin. Like, the start of the first love scene we had to shoot, parang gusto ko nang umiyak.
What was the most difficult? What was the most difficult?
The fact that it's Diego. Yun talaga yun eh. Kasi close kasi kami. So, that's really that was the biggest challenge of this project. Pero, it also worked to our advantage because we were able to work together and we were able to get through it together and we were so open with each other and we really just had to get past that first. Sabi kasi namin, you know what, ibigay natin lahat para isang take lang.
So there was nothing like breaking the ice anymore for both of you.
We had to really, it was a very thick layer of ice. Yeah, we really had to break the ice talaga. Pero ayun, we were able to, and once we got past that naman, things got easier. Yeah, it was a lot easier, we were comfortable already.
Alright. Can we hear from you, Dex?
Pretty much, yeah, that's exactly. Kasi we shot first for the first couple of days, puro mga backstory lang namin dalawa. So wala pa kaming eksena. Bandang fourth day? Apat na araw na? Fourth day na.
That's where you met.
That's when, yes, pero, yeah, we went down the line kasi. Chronological kami nag-shoot. Manila. Yun. So yung unang araw namin sa hotel, jump to love scene agad. So hindi pa kami masyado nag-uusap, wala pa masyado. And then it was first time ko mag-orgasm. Parang, whoa. It was kind of a lot for the first day. But yun nga, tulad ng sinabi ni Colleen, after namin nalampasan yung part na yun, everything else was easy. Everything else was easy after that.
Alright, thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you, that was, thank you.